Using your measurements to customize your 1-hour dress. Using the simplified measuring method for class. To review, you should have the following measurements: your torso, the larger of your bust or high hip, your blouse length, the high hip to high hip over the shoulder at neck, the dress length, from the side of the neck to the desired hem length, and the sleeve length, back neck to desired sleeve length. If you have not already collected your measurements, watch the video again and do so. Next, record those measurements. So for example, on me, the torso, the blouse length, the dress length, the sleeve length are as seen. Put your measurements onto paper, like at the left. Print out a copy of the diagrams on the Canvas site or at my web page, which you see there. Select the one-piece or the two-piece dress. Select 2-layer fold or 4-layer fold cutting layout, and start doing the math described on the diagram to get your dress dimensions. So, for instance, you print out the diagrams and you look at them and you go and decide if you want to do a 2-piece dress or 1-piece dress and which kind of folding you want to do for that. So you download those, print them out. Select whether you want a 1-piece or a 2-piece dress. If you want a dress with the skirt part a different color than the top part, or with pleats in a position other than on the 2 sides, choose the 2-piece dress. If you want a single fabric and side gathers or pleats, choose the 1-piece dress. For selecting the layout, select the 2-layer fold or the 4-layer fold cutting layout. If you have picked a thick fabric like a heavy wool, denim, or fleece, cut on a 2-layer fold. If you have a light cotton or silky fabric, you can save time and effort by cutting a 4-layer fold. So then you pick the diagram that goes with the 1-piece or 2-piece dress, the fold, the 2-part fold or the 4-part fold, and start going and crunching your numbers. You're going to go and divide the blouse length in half because that works well for that. You're going to divide the torso in 1/2 or in 1/4, depending on if you're doing the 2-layer cutting or a 4-layer cutting. For the 2-piece dress, you're going to subtract half of the blouse length from the dress length in order to determine your skirt length. And you're going to mark those numbers on your diagram. And then you're going to stop and look at it again after having had some coffee or gone around and double check your numbers. Then when you have, photograph or scan your number diagram to turn in for points.